do you say alien？
外星人。
同埋有個外星人，佢個外星人係好似個狗，How else am I supposed to describe this? Daddy, can you describe it?
我都冇睇啊，我點？
I wasn't asking you, mommy.
冇自己搞，冇自己搞。
Yeah，同埋There's no plot.
你話佢哋好朋友咪得咯。
I forgot the plot. I didn't know how to explain the plot. What was the plot again? Yeah.
They're good friends. The end.
Yeah. And aloha means family.
What?
Aloha means family. Wait, that's wrong. Wait, yeah. Wait, no, I was right.
Goodbye, hello 都係 aloha, OK?
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait, no, I got it wrong. It's ohana means family.
Aloha 係welcome。
No, I got it wrong. It's ohana means family.
Ohana, isn't that a kind of nut?
No, ohana means family. Duh. Stupid.
Ohana nuts are good.
No. It's ohana means family. No. Anyway, wait, what do you think about Hamilton, Mommy? Did you like my explanation?
Boring。
How is it boring?
I didn't like your explanation.
See, and people
唔
say
係啊，嗰個係佢 cheated on his wife，但係佢個 wife 要 carry on his legacy。
You say Hanson Global?
This sounds horrible。
no, that's because his wife is so amazing. His
係
wife
嘛？
is
你
the
話
best character.
你冇話哦，that's what she wanted to do，點解要話哦？She carry out his legacy。
No, because
He cheated on her，係咪啊？
yeah.
係咪？如果佢話哦，he died because he died from trying to save his family 咁樣，咁仲話啫係嘛？哦，佢同人哋有個gunfight，stupid，
It wasn't a gunfight. It was like a duel.
一樣咁 stupid，OK？ 你覺得啊 duel 就啊係咪啊？Sounds cool 啊？No stupid。
No,
That's
well, like
stupid.
what if the guy was threatening his family? I don't know.
Jesus Christ.
Wait, let me.
Darn it!
Let me give you a better explanation. Hold up, I need to go on Google.
我翻嚟。
Asshole！ 仲要哦 ，I don't know what's going on 咁喎，啊，政治人嚟嘅呢個。逼佢先得㗎，大佬。
係嗰一剎那你點必咧？係閃咗就必佢咧，你明唔明啊？但係我唔明啲人係點執，佢係睇唔到，因為就騙過嚟算數咁啦，真係好搞笑㗎咯。
Oh wait, okay. Hamilton is a biographical musical about the life of Alexander Hamilton, a key figure in the founding of the United States.
你唔好用 AI 嚟敷衍我得唔得咩？
You don't know if it's AI or not.
唔好用 Google 嚟咩啊？Use
The
your own
story
word。
follows
喂，同一條
Hamilton.
link。